Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting a new chapter today. So this chapter is all about homeostasis and transport. Now, what does that mean? It means homeostasis, your body maintaining some sense of balance, right? It wants a certain amount of things, and it gets too much, it gets rid of it. If it doesn't have enough, it gets more in, right? And we are talking about cells. This whole year is about cells. So how your cells maintain homeostasis. And that's where the transport word comes in, right? You want to get things into your cells, or you want to push things out of your cells one way or the other. And to show that as an example, over the next couple of days, we are going to be doing kind of a demonstration. I have here eggs. These are going to represent your cells. Now, your cells don't have a hard shell like this, right? You're not plants. You don't have plant cells with cell walls. Your cells have membranes. And if you've ever eaten a hard-boiled egg and tried to peel one of these shells off, you know that eggs also have a membrane. So we need to get rid of this shell, but keep the membrane intact, keep the egg intact inside that membrane. So we are going to use a little bit of chemistry and dissolve away the hard shell. That's what I have here, vinegar. Plain old distilled white vinegar, 5% acidity. You see that right there, 5% acidity? That acid is going to very slowly dissolve away this shell, but not the membrane. So that's what we are going to do right now. If you look closely, see all those bubbles come up? That's a chemical reaction taking place. The acid is breaking down the shell very slowly, and we're going to let this sit overnight. Tomorrow, we are going to have 2 eggs that do not have shells anymore. We are going to measure them, and then we're going to put them into 2 different containers. One container is going to be filled with water, another container is going to be filled with syrup, corn syrup, which means a lot of sugar. And we're going to talk about what is going to happen, what we expect to happen. Anyway, we're going to form a hypothesis. We're going to measure these eggs before putting them in, and we're going to measure them 2 days later and see what the difference is. All right. So that is the beginning of this first demo for this chapter. This is not the only thing going on today. Please make sure you check Google Classroom. You do have an assignment. So look out for that and have a good day.